Hello friends, what's up? How are you? Hope you are fine now. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of one of the best cryptocurrencies in the crypto market of Hedera Hashgraph HBAR cryptocurrencies. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and complete my 2K subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. That is the live price prediction of HBAR cryptocurrencies of previous 1 hour you are watching now. The change is in positive 3.23% change of each bar cryptocurrencies previous 1 hour. In the high price of each bar cryptocurrencies in the previous 1 hour is $0.349299 is the high price of each bar cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. As you can see the graph of the each bar cryptocurrencies of Hedera Hashgraph, so it's jumping upward. So I think the currently they are falling down. As you can see here, the currently it's a losing time of HBAR cryptocurrencies, unfortunately. So it's the best time to sell it and be safe from losses. You can see here it's falling down. So it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 2 hour. What's going in the previous 2 hour? As you can see here, the previous 2 hour is also a good and the previous 2 hour Hedera Hashgraph start jumping upward, but unfortunately they are starting jumping continuously at the previous and the current time of last 2 hour. So it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. That is the live price prediction of previous 2 hour you are watching now. So please don't forget to subscribe APS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies market.